So let's get started. First thing I need is to come up with a dictionary of all the words. Now, we've created a small file with about 4,000 words in it called words4k.txt. So let's take that file, read it, convert it to uppercase because Scrabble and Words with Friends use only uppercase letters. Split it into a list of words. Assign that to a global variable. We'll call it words and put it all uppercase. Just make sure that it stands out. And let's make this a set so that access to it is easy. We can figure out very quickly whether a word is in the dictionary. Okay, so now we're done. We have our words. Then I want to find all the words within a hand. And so the hand will be 7 letters. And I want to find all the words of 7 letters or less that can be made out of those letters. And I'm going to start with a very straightforward approach, and then we're going to refine it over time. So here's what I've done. I haven't worried about repeating myself and about making the code long. I just wanted to make it straightforward. And then I said, first letter A can be any letter in the hand. If that's a word, then go ahead and add that to my set of results. So I start off with an empty set of results, and I'm going to add as I go. Otherwise, B can be any letter in the result of removing A from the hand. And now the word that I'm building up is A plus B, 2-letter word. And if that's a word, add it. Otherwise, C can be any letter in the hand without W in it, so the remaining letters in the hand. A new word is A plus B plus C. And if that's in words, then add it. And we just keep on going through, adding a letter each time, checking to see if that's in the words, adding them up. Here's my definition of removed. It takes a hand or a sequence of letters and then the letter or letters to remove. For each of those letters, just replace the letter in the collection of letters with the empty string and do that exactly once, so don't remove all of them, and then return the remaining letters. And does it work? Well, if I find words with this sequence of letters in my hand, comes back with this list. And so that looks pretty good. It's hard for me to verify right now that I found everything that's in my dictionary, but it looks good. And I did a little bit of poking around in the dictionary for likely things, and all the words I could think of that weren't in this set were not in the dictionary, and that's why they weren't included. So that looks pretty good. I'm going to be doing a lot of work here, and I'm going to be modifying this function and changing it. So I'd like to have a better set of tests than just one test.